Hi friends, Rowdy Red back here with a little tip and trick, I guess if you want to call it. I just put a new tube in my tire, getting ready to mount the chain back on there. I figured I'd share this with you. So you have your slack adjuster for your chain tension here. A lot of guys like to crank those in so they can get their chain off and whatnot, but these are key. So what you would do is you pop this off, take your cap back out. Right now you got all that room. You're gonna come over here, you're gonna hit this out to where it just misses that. Right now take that, push it forward, grab your chain, boom, you're on. And then all you gotta do is pull it back, slide this bad boy back in there. Oop, moving this whole thing here. It'd be easier if I had both hands, but you get the picture here. Just pop that back in. Grab this piece that goes flying off. Yeah, see, that'll be a pain. It's in, and you're just working that back on. And then you would tighten that down as you normally would. You ain't even gotta touch your slack, because guess what? It's still set to where I had it. Cool little tip. Hope it works for you guys. Anybody that's, stuck on the side of the road, quick swap. Very quick. That way you ain't got a dick with another 15 minutes worth of bullshit. A lot of those get dirt and salt and sand. They tend to snap right off. I put anti-seize on mine. I grease everything up every time I'm in there, so it is what it is. Hope that works. Have a good one.